So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in %appdata %sign. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Mozilla. And now you want to click on Firefox. And now you want to click on Profiles. You're going to have two folders right here. You want to click on the one that says Default Release. And now we're going to scroll down until we find Cert9. You want to delete this file, so just click on it and then click on Delete. You want to delete the Cert9 file. For the next step, you want to open up Firefox. And now once you're on Firefox, in the top right, you want to click on the three lines. And now you want to click on Help. And then click on More Troubleshooting Information. And now once you're on this, you want to select Refresh Firefox. And then click on Refresh Firefox again. And then click on Done. For the next step, you want to click on the three lines again. And then click on Help. And then click on About Firefox. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Firefox browser is fully up to date. And this should now fix your problem. If not, then just restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.